Myochymic discharges, the limb myokymia, a characteristically seen in radiation-induced nerve injury, nerve damage, radiation plexopathy. Most typical situation progressive plexopathy with prior history of cancer treated with radiotherapy, facial myokymia, brainstem lesion, multiple sclerosis, pontine glioma, vascular disease, toxin, rattlesnake, herbicides, insecticides, peripheral hyperexcitability, ISAC syndrome, cramp fasciculation syndrome, ISAC, cramp fasciculation syndrome. Disorder commonly associated with myokymia discharges are radiation injury, usually brachial plexopathy, Guillain-Barré, facial, multiple sclerosis, facial, pontine tumor, facial, hypocalcemia, timber, rattlesnake, and venom. Occasionally seen in Guillain-Barré syndrome, limbs, chronic inflammatory CIDP, nerve entrapment, and radiculopathy. Cramp potentials. These are sustained and possibly painful muscle contraction of multiple motor unit, seconds or minutes. Involuntary repetitive firing of motor unit action potential at high frequency. Rapid onset, rapid build-up, increased discharge frequency, number of motor unit potential, followed by gradual or sputtering decrease in discharge frequency, number of motor unit potential as cramp subsides. Rapid onset, rapid build-up, sputtering, cessation, cramp discharges, hyponatremia, hypocalcemia, vitamin deficiency, ischemia, early motor neuron disease, peripheral neuropathy, benign nocturnal cough, cramp, post-exercise cramp, neuropathic, endocrine, logic, metabolic disease, thyroid disease, hyper or hypo, in hypothyroidism or hypothyroidism, pregnancy, familial syndromic associated with fasciculation and cramp, alopecia, diarrhea, cramp, simply autosomally dominant inherited cramp syndrome, autosomally dominant inherited cramp syndrome, initial burst of motor unit that eventually subsides as cramp dissipates. Neuromyotonic discharges, high frequency, 150 to 250 Hz up to 300 Hz. Motor unit discharges, highest frequency of any discharge. Discriminating repetitive discharges of single motor unit, spontaneous precipitated by needle movement, percussion of nerve ischemia, voluntary muscle contraction or exercise, pinching sound on EMG, burst of high frequency discharges that vein musical pink. Neuromyotonic discharges in generalized stiffness,